Welcome to Develop Your ServiceNow Partner Strategy, part of our Leading Practices series. In this video, you'll learn how partners help you achieve your outcomes and the different types of partners customers work with, how to develop a partner strategy using our prescribed best practice steps, and where to find additional resources and next steps to get started. To start, a ServiceNow partner is a vendor you work with to implement and capture value from ServiceNow. They help you achieve your outcomes by bringing experience from previous engagements, deep technical knowledge, and strategic management guidance to transform your operations. The best partners will have thorough knowledge of platform capabilities and experience implementing the specific solution you're deploying. There are four main types of partners ServiceNow recommends working with: those that provide implementation services, resell products and solutions, outsource or manage services, and technology partners that develop apps and integrations. Partners are segmented into tiers based on development and go-to-market maturity, and they most commonly help customers implement ServiceNow solutions. Choose a partner that specializes in the specific objective you're trying to achieve. When it comes to developing your partner strategy, we recommend following these four best practice steps. First, establish your partner evaluation and selection approach. Second, search, evaluate, and select a partner. Third, set your partner up for success. Finally, manage the ongoing partner performance. Let's dig into each of these, starting with step one. The first step is establishing your evaluation and selection approach. Do this by building a team to evaluate and select partners, and then define a process this team can apply. Your evaluation team should be cross-functional to incorporate multiple inputs. Work with your team to define the required partner skill sets and expertise based on your objectives. Then, create an evaluation scorecard to translate your requirements and for objectively evaluating the different partners against one another. We have a sample scorecard available on the Customer Success Center to help you get started. The second step is to search, evaluate, and select a partner. First, assemble a list of potential partners. Use tools like the Partner Finder and Now Community to help you in your search. Narrow down your list of partners and then send out a RFP or RFI to gather more information. Next, you need to select your partner. Evaluate the submitted information, asking for clarifications where needed. Conduct a final evaluation of the candidates through a series of interviews. And when you're ready, agree on a SOW with your selected partner, which should have clearly documented objectives for the engagement. Once you've selected a partner, set them up to succeed and deliver the outcomes you expect. Step 3 is about making sure you set your partner up for success. To do so, assemble an internal ServiceNow team to work with the partner. Your partner should know their counterparts and what role they play. Complete a knowledge transfer to help your partner understand your context. This includes things like your organization's strategic objectives, how you use the Now platform, and your expectations of them. Lastly, create an onboarding plan to reduce ramp-up time. Make sure to provide your partner with the right level of access to systems, stakeholders, and anything else they may need to be successful. The last step is managing ongoing partner performance. It's important to identify issues early on and hold your partner accountable to their commitments. First, assign a strong partner manager. This should be someone with experience in relationship management. Next, make sure to continuously measure performance. One framework to think about this in is whether your partner has the right plan, design, and team for their engagement. Objectively scoring them against these factors on a consistent cadence will keep everyone aligned and on track. Finally, maintain transparency and collaborate with your partner. You want your partner to treat you as a customer of choice, so make sure you treat them as an extension of your organization. There are 3 key insights we want you to remember from this video. First, understand your own context and needs before starting the partner selection process. Second, select a partner based on your objectives, not purely based on prior relationships or cost. Finally, set partner expectations early and manage to them throughout the engagement. So, what should you do next? First, take time to review the leading practice resources we have on the Customer Success Center. These materials will give you more details and insights from experts on how to pilot and expand your partner strategy. Second, Take what you've learned and have a discussion with your executive sponsor about how your partner strategy can help you improve the velocity and scale of value you deliver with ServiceNow. Lastly, start thinking about who should be on your evaluation team, what role they'll play in the process, and the criteria you'll use to select a partner. Remember that ServiceNow can deliver enterprise workflow transformation, and a partner strategy can play an important role in your innovation. For more information or advice, contact your ServiceNow team. Thank you for watching.